Okay, I don't know what's going on out there. There's a whole ass hurricane. I'm feeling very worried, I think. Cause right now, at the next second, I might think that an EAS alarm will pop up. Cause what's going on out there is pretty insane. The weather is pretty bad, and I don't want to die in fucking summer. Why in summer? Why? Who knows? Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay safe and govern the house whenever you are. If you're an outside, go to your home immediately. I don't think there's not much time left until dawn happens. What I mean by dawn is chaos. Y'all stay safe out there. Things are not looking good. I'm already in the house, and things are checking in my living room. I'm gonna check my living room there. I know you guys heard that thunder, right? I didn't come back for a few minutes because Jesus Christ. It's insane. Is y'all heart racing? Mine's racing as well. This weather is next level. It's like any this one is unlike any other thunderstorm. Let's check the weather. Let's see if we are okay. The fuck? Okay, I hate flies. Y'all just ruin everything. What is the weather? Shit. Shit. Guys, I don't think y'all will like this. Use precise location. Shit. Shit, guys. Shit, guys. It said severe thunderstorm. I don't like this. Nor I will ever like it. Dog. A severe thunderstorm. Severe. Raph? Hey, Raph. The car. There's no way I'm living in a world with a fucking disaster. Bro, what is going on? I am literally enjoying myself until wow, thunderstorm. Who disrespected God? Cause bro, this is crazy. Whoever disrespected God, I swear, y'all are cooked. If that wasn't God, then that was the thunderstorm. Then I don't know what's happening, bro, but dude, what the fuck? Remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. I think we may have time. Well, it stops at 4:45, so the chaos stops at 4:45. So we might be alright. So we might be alright, bro. We might be alright. You might be alright. So the thunderstorm might be out in 4:45. So y'all might stay safe. Y'all might as well stay safe. Well, from you guys, well, to you guys, well, to myself too. If y'all ever live somewhere near a thunderstorm, take shelter immediately. Because God knows what will happen if it even ever strikes your house. Well, a joke aside from me, but, well, not obviously a joke. Because several amounts of people have been striked around their house. Like, several amounts. It's like a huge chunk of that huge chunk of people was literally found killed by a thunderstorm or shocked by electrocuted. It's dog. It's crazy. I'm out here recording this shit. Y'all need to stay safe, man. Until 4:40 strike. Until 4:45 strike stop. Until 4:45. I hope you guys. Until 4:45. I hope you guys survive. I hope you guys survived this. Thank you for tuning in with me.